Alright, history exam over, and it is really cold outside. The wind is just blowing cold air in your face, and it makes it like 1,000 times colder. And
just a couple degrees,
more like 20, negative 20. I don't know how cold it is. It's probably not even that cold, it's just the wind chill that makes it seem worse. So we're going to get bacon eggs, right?
Nope.
Right?
Right? Go home and cook them.
Right? No. I don't know how to cook bacon and eggers. Plus, we don't have the materials to make bacon and eggers.
Oh, you don't, eh?
Well, we don't have bacon, first of all. We don't have sliced cheese, I don't think. I honestly don't think I didn't get any footage before I left for the exams because for the sole purpose of waking up at 8:10.
It wasn't my fault.
Wasn't mine either.
Yes, it was.
No, I was just so comfortable that that the alarm clock didn't wake me up. It's just that simple.
So it is your fault.
No,
it is your fault.
It's my alarm clock's fault for not being loud enough. Yep. That's the story I'm sticking to.
Welcome AW drive-through. May I take your order, please?
Your special, the 2 bacon and eggers for
$4.50, yeah?
Yeah, that's it.
You got it, my friend. 509 is your total. We'll see you up at the window.
Alright, let's take a look. Napkins, very important. This is the bacon and egger. Bacon, eggs, and cheese. Very delicious. Very, very delicious. I'm doing today's outro clip while lying down, because lying down is just wonderful. It no matter, what time of the day it is, no matter how tired you are, just lying down feels good. It lets you just release your stress and let all your troubles just flow away. I'm also wearing my glasses, so I don't really know whether I should wear my glasses or not more. I don't wear them too much because I don't really need them when I'm at home. I wear them at school because I need them for longer distances, but in my bedroom I don't really need them because everything's relatively close and I'm usually sitting at the computer anyway, which I don't need my glasses for. So I don't know. I don't really know whether I should wear my glasses more during vlogs or not. I don't know if I look better with my glasses or without my glasses. I can't really judge that because it's hard to judge your own looks. So I don't know. Anyways, I have the weekend off, so yay! And I just have to go back to school on Monday for my math exam, and that is it for the first semester. Then I have a whole week off school, and then it's back to school for the second semester. So I'm really excited about this week because I can get some sleep finally, and yeah, it's pretty exciting. It kind of sucks though how though on Sunday night I have to go to bed early so I can wake up early on Monday morning, but I only have to do that once, so it's literally one day I have to go to school and one day I have to go to bed early and get up early for for school / exam, which really does suck. And I think there's a hair in my. Sometimes I accidentally press the button that makes it stop recording. So today's vlog. What's today? Is it 24th? Jesus. I think today is Friday the 24th. Don't quote. Yeah, I think that's. I think that's it. I can't remember. Doesn't matter. Tomorrow is Saturday, so yay. That's all. Like, it doesn't even matter who you are. I just know you're happy about tomorrow being Saturday. Anyways, okay, that's a little of an understatement. Anyways, thank you for watching today's vlog. Let me hold on. Stay classy, everyone.